Hi there, let's talk about FireBolttPhoeniX smartwatch today. This smartwatch comes with a 1.43-inch screen with 466 by 466 pixel resolution, AMOLED screen, and 700 nits brightness. You can further personalize the watch by picking your favorite watch face. This smartwatch comes with Bluetooth calling with inbuilt mic and speaker to take your call straight from your wrist. You can access your recent call log and sync contacts on the watch screen. It also features quick dial pad. Support for smart AI assistants like Google and Siri makes it easy to interact with your watch via HD mic and sharp speaker. You can also click pictures on your phone's camera via the watch and also control your music. This smartwatch comes with IP67 water resistance, which means that you don't have to worry about rain or sweat anymore. This is the ideal companion for your health goals with the SpO2 monitoring and heart rate monitoring. With 110 plus sports modes, you can also track your progress while you work out. This watch also has sleep monitoring, female healthcare tracking and smart reminders to help you track your health better and enable yourself to be more active. You also get other features like rotating crown, inbuilt games, and smart notifications to ensure you never miss one. This Fire-Boltt smartwatch comes with 1-year brand warranty. Thank you.